Now, I put food out around 7ish o'clock this evening. I put out some more apples and corn because they had come out. And so I put some more food out. But I didn't expect this one to just come back out tonight. It has been out for about 30 minutes now. And every little spot that I put apples and corns, that's where it has went and just totally eaten up everything. So tomorrow morning I'll have to get up and go out and put some more stuff out because right now it is just eating. And you all, I have never seen, well, in my yard, I've seen them before, but in my yard, while the deer was out eating, an armadillo came up beside it and started eating. I'm just like, don't tell me they eat the corn too. I'm trying to find stuff just the deer would eat, which would be hard, I know, because they told me that at the feed mill store. No, we know the squirrels and the birds all eat the corn and apples and stuff too. But this one here is gonna be full tonight and in the morning, so I'm sure he or she will sleep in. Hopefully you all can see that. Kind of zoom in some. I don't want to zoom in too much because I don't want. Look, it sees me. And he's looking. Yeah, just eating up everything. I mean, every little piece of corn, I guess it's gonna get it. Wow, wow, wow. Just wanted to show you all the nighttime, what goes on in the nighttime back here. Goes down in my backyard with the deer. Yeesh. Let's see. It's getting kind of blurry now. So, getting kind of blurry. Every little piece. I just really don't believe this. This is the longest it has just been out here eating. And like I said, it is eating everything. Just eating everything up. Alrighty, that's it. Gonna close it out.